If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin Update Sunday and the last day of the week, and the signals open up. Come to the Discord, join the Discord, click on the announcement tab and check this video on how to join if you're interested in that one. Okay, so Bitcoin at the moment, yesterday on Twitter I did share something with some people, and this is a pattern that I showed you on Twitter, and you can see that does this speak for itself, because it looks very clear that Bitcoin has a bear flag right in the building, and that actually is not on the daily but on the 4-hour time frame. It's what I like to say, a picture perfect bear flag that is about to pop out right now. And we have Bitcoin setting its highs all the way down to $15,700 or $50,800. So are you interested in seeing Bitcoin dropping all the way down to that particular price level? Because I'm interested to look at dumps happening, because I've been waiting for them. And this is your flag right there, and Bitcoin is currently still about to close its candlestick. So we really didn't break out of it just yet. We are about to. The candlestick that you see right now, if I try to zoom in and talk about this whole flag in detail, then I'm just going to remove that line. We don't need that one. We know it's going to drop to 15,800 if it wants to drop. So here we are. So this is the first candle right over there, second, third, fifth, fourth, five, boom, boom, boom. And it won't take any longer than the following time. We could still have a little bit of a chance for Bitcoin in the next 1 hour, 43 minutes to pull back up a little bit to 16,800 and then continue to extend that flag until 19 December, tomorrow. So basically, in the next, how many hours do we have to close the daily, by the way? By Monday, we still need to see something done by Monday. Yeah, so we're talking about 13 hours of wait. And that's where we have our eyes set, basically, to move even a little bit lower. Now, however, if things had to get a little bit bullish and you destroy the bear flag, basically if you try to come above $16,900, okay, if you try to move a little bit above $16,900, unfortunately that flag can be invalidated. But when the time comes, you're going to see if it invalidates or extends a little bit like this. You can even extend a flag like that, right? But the thing is that if somehow we get to destroy the flag, then there's only one place that you might be looking to push, and that is from there to there, and it's this trend line, because you can see that it's very clear when you lose, when you have the support here, support there, one support there, one support here, you push to the downside, you haven't really back tested that line. So could we backtest the line, get rejected, and then move down? That's also one thing to consider. But that might not happen, because this flag is in the making. It's not in play, but in the making. It's going to be in play. We're going to get to know in the next 1 hour, 42 minutes. So all we want to do is make a bearish closing like this one, which we still have to wait for 1 hour, 42 minutes to see how the candle closes. And then from here, make that bearish closing, back test the flag, get rejected, and then we move all the way down to $15,700. And that's all about this Bitcoin update right now. I just want to check the last thing on the weekly time frame as well. So here we are on the weekly, and the weekly still, actually we got a better chances of going down before going up, because the weekly shows the evening star being formed right now. So if I do show you this evening star right here on Google, you're gonna see how it looks like. So evening star candlestick, a lot of you guys know an evening star by now, and this is your evening star right there. So green candle, doji in the middle, and the red candle, something like this is what I try to show you. And that's the weekly pattern right there, the evening star, green, doji, red, and you can see the rest is history. That's exactly what I want. It's just like the same time when I told you about the daily time frame shooting star, and then we have now the evening star. This was the shooting star that I told you about. The direction is going to change, and we did exactly that, evening star. So basically on the weekly and the higher time frame, we're looking pretty bad for Bitcoin at the moment. And Bitcoin by the end of the month has higher chances of dropping to 14,000 in December. And that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.